Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Swinney, coming at you this Wednesday afternoon from the balcony overlooking the New York Stock Exchange. And I am in a great mood this Wednesday afternoon because one, it's beautiful outside in the Big Apple. Two, the Mets actually beat the Cardinals last night. And number three, it hit me. We're more than halfway through the trading week. In other words, I want to run out of here and continue to celebrate with more drinks. Why? Because it's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. Let's go Mets. It's time for happy hour here in the Big Apple. Now, just one day after closing higher, stocks, they are lower this Wednesday following the release of poor existing home sales figures and as investors continue to wait for a speech from Fed Chair Janet Yellen this Friday. Another time, I'll mention it, Yellen is scheduled to speak on the U.S. economy and monetary policy this Friday, August 26, 11 o'clock in the morning Eastern. 2 more days away. And it still remains the main topic of discussion this week in the markets. Question is, what is she going to say? But before that date, we look at today's action as data continues to dominate the headlines. Existing home sales for July falling 3.2%, more than expected, and this just one day after new home sales, they reached their highest level in almost 9 years yesterday. Continuing, investors keeping an eye on oil prices with crude falling more than 2% after the EIA said U.S. crude stockpiles rose by 2.5 million barrels. Now you team that with gold slightly in the red, the U.S. dollar seeing a slight rise, then you have yourself a session right now behind me where 2 stocks are in the red for every advancer right here at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this, the more than halfway trading point of the week. And I will talk corporations. La-Z-Boy reporting a 1.9% drop in same-store sales for its fiscal first quarter. La-Z-Boy shares down more than 13% in early trade. And I'll talk one thing about sports. Let's go Mets. Let's try and take 2 in St. Louis tonight. Again, let's go Mets. For Modern Wall Street saying I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning. And yeah, why not? Let's go Mets. I'm James Swinney.